Tarak, yeah. Tarak, we know all your journey from a young man to this stage, 25 years of struggle, accolades, admiration, on failures, successes. So, 3 lessons learned from your journey. 1, 2, 3.
I can't pinpoint on 3 lessons, but there's one thing that I think has been constant for anybody's success. Hard work, and hard work.
Hello, please. Please listen to him what he was saying.
I said the only essence we have is to keep working hard. So that's the lesson learned.
Keep working hard. Yeah. Right.
Babu, konja silent guntara? Quiet. Good, thank you.
Yeah, please. See, he's going to talk a lot of good things. Please listen. Then you can shout. We'll give you the time to shout. Tarak, there are a lot of similarities between an actor and doctor. Almost spelling is same. You live in cinema theater, we live in operating theater. You keep on saying cut, we keep on saying cut. And your success depends on the 3 hours, our success depends on these 3 hours. So, what can we learn from you or what you can learn from us?
You should learn a lot from me. After seeing that slide, I've understood that I don't need to do a CPR to the patient. I can do it to myself and I can keep them alive. I can bring him back to life. So I think this is the talent a doctor should learn from an actor now.
Wonderful.
CPR should be performed on the doctor more than the patient.
Yeah, very good.
But other than that, sir, I have a lot of respect towards doctors. Not many people are chosen to save, to give a second chance. And it is truly a blessing to choose a career of a doctor. And hopefully more and more churn out in this country to give that second chance to a lot of people to see the life, to see the world again.
Tarak, last 2 questions from me and then one gynecologist and one orthopedic surgeon want to ask. The one question is, if you become a doctor, what specialist you want to become?
I would have definitely become a pediatrician.
Pediatrician. Okay, all the pediatricians say hello. What?
I like kids, so I would like to. There's beauty in seeing a child's growth, and
I thought you will be saying orthopedic surgeon.
Never, sir. Please. If I have to become an orthopedic surgeon, I have to become a Guruva Reddy, and I can't become that.
Right. NTR after 25 years.
NTR after 25 years will be 67. NTR after 25 years will be 67.
Okay. Right. 1 minute. Dr. Mohan, orthopedic surgeon. Yeah.
Namaste, NTR Garu.
Namaste.
Good morning. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
I am Dr. Mohan, orthopedic surgeon from KIMS Electronic City. Being a celebrity and having a pan-India fan base with a busy schedule, how do you manage your work-life balance?
I've never thought about it. Anything I do is from the heart. And there's not much prep. I think we fail when we prepare. So just believe in your heart. I think your heart is capable enough to guide you through your life.
Thank you, sir.
You know,
Dr. Lavanya.
if I would have thought about it a little more, I don't think I would have been standing on this stage today. For me, Bhaskar Garu and the whole family, including Guruva Reddy Garu, Krishna Garu, have been family. So this is my responsibility. My heart said, come on, go. It's your responsibility. Be there, and I'm here.
Dr. Lavanya.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm Dr. Lavanya, gynecologist from Electronic City, KIMS. As a passion, as a gynecologist, infertility doctor, I'm passionate about women's health. I've seen your passion as well. You've done several campaigns for women's health and women's safety. On this occasion of International Women's Day, I request you to a statement for all our women to prioritize our women's health. So I think, when a celebrity speaks, it's taken more seriously than a gynecologist. So one word from you for all of women.
Amma, I tell you, I don't like this constant reminding of how a woman should be treated. I think it is high time a man is born respecting his woman. So this is what I can say, and wishing you a happy Women's Day. Wishing all the women here. I think we have to stop prioritizing education at school to tell the future generation, the men, that how important a woman is. But I think the education has to start from our house. And I will make sure my two boys will grow up respecting women
Thank you so
and
much.
responsible towards
Thank you.
that.
Tarak, last question from me. You are eyewitness for road traffic accidents and the calamity in life. You almost gone there. At that time I was in Russia. I remember you getting into admit KIMS, and unfortunately you lost your father. And there are, for audience sake, every 3 minutes there is a road traffic death in India. It's a very appalling thing. I request you, just like she said, please do something for prevention of these road traffic accidents. And we request you to be giving that voice so that people can behave themselves, wear the helmets, wear the seat belts, and save themselves.
Sir, I think if you see my movies, I've been very particular about this, that I send out this message. I've lost my older brother, I've lost my father, and as you mentioned, I almost went up to the
Correct.
death's door and came back, thanks to KIMS again.
Yeah.
Thanks to Bhaskar Garu, thanks to Srinivas Garu, Dr. Srinivas, for me, to have put in all the effort and all the responsibility in saving my life. I think everybody needs to be responsible about driving, about road safety. There are many times, there are a lot of incidents that has happened in each individual's home here, I'm sure. So please remember that whenever you're driving, just keep your family in your mind, and automatically it will create a sort of responsibility, and that I think is the awareness everybody should have.
Yeah. Last thing, the police department requested you to say one word, say no to drugs.
And please say no to drugs.
Yeah.
I request. Again, responsibility has to grow within, and I hope this message gives you that sense of responsibility and grow as good citizens for this country. Thank you.
Tarak, stage is yours now.
Thank you.
Final talk, then I'll take. Okay.
Thanks to Srinivas Garu, Dr. Srinivas, for me, to have put in all the effort and all the responsibility in saving my life. I think everybody needs to be responsible about driving, about road safety. There are many times, there are a lot of incidents that has happened in each individual's home here, I'm sure. So please remember that whenever you're driving, just keep your family in your mind, and automatically it will create a sort of responsibility, and that I think is the awareness everybody should have.
Yeah. Last thing, the police department requested you to say one word, say no to drugs.
And please say no to drugs.
Yeah.
I request. Again, responsibility has to grow within, and I hope this message gives you that sense of responsibility and grow as good citizens for this country. Thank you.
Tarak, stage is yours now.
Thank you.
Final talk, then I'll take. Okay.